Bernard and myself headed down to Lough Rynn for the Harvest Festival and Vintage Day on Sunday, September the 7th, 2025. He got into a few of the cars, into a donkey cart, and behind the camera too. Here's a few clips of what we pulled together from a great day out. I'm here with Tom Fitzmaurice from Lough in County Roscommon. And Tom, you're here in Lough Rynn. Tell us about your car and how you got into cars like this.
Yes, I'm here in Lough Rynn. We're having a fine day here. Didn't become as wet as we thought it might, but it turned out well. Yes, I've an interest in cars for quite a long time, I suppose. I'm really reliving my youth in a sort of a way, so it brings back memories. And I always liked the Morris or Austin cars because I suppose of their reliability and ease to work on. So this particular one was bought in Mullingar in about 1960, I believe, and I restored most of it myself. It's a low mileage vehicle, probably 45,000 miles, so she's in good shape, and I'm looking forward to getting another maybe 50 years out of her.
So what year did you say this car?
The car was registered in 1960 in County Westmeath. Yeah.
There was something special about the Morris Minor, wasn't there?
I think they were a homely car. They were always smiling at you or something like that. Yeah.
And I know they're cars that we would have had, I would have heard my parents talking about the Morris Minor and how they had Morris Minors.
I think you missed the Morris Minors, Michael. You were a little bit later down.
I was a little bit later, so I was.
Anyway,
I think it was the Vauxhall Viva days when...
Yes, Vauxhall Viva or maybe Toyota K20s.
Yeah. And when you look inside the cars here, well, the first thing that I notice when we look at the car, no wing mirrors.
No wing mirrors, no seat belts. So we're travelling in mortal danger, if you like, but we're getting there.
Yeah, and probably no headrests either.
No headrests and no amber indicators, I suppose. The rear indicators are shared with the red brake lights, so we have a combination. And I suppose there's one less bulb to have to buy,
But that's what's great about days like this and coming along and seeing, how life was and how life has changed. And it's important to keep that going with days like this, isn't it?
I think it's fantastic, Michael. I had one of the best, I suppose, fair days in a long time. I think the whole atmosphere was different. It was old world. I thought the music made it.
Yeah.
I think the music fitted in. Everybody understood it was a country fair. Things were relaxed. We were living in a different decade, maybe.
Yeah. Well, Tom, absolute pleasure talking to you, and lovely to hear all about your car here on display, and wishing you the very best in the future.
Thanks very much, Michael. Delighted to have met you, and hopefully this will bring a smile to somebody's face. Thank you.
Thanks, Tom.